it's broken. What do I do?
Car for sale. Car for sale.
Huh? Car for sale? Wow! So many cars! Hi, I need a new car.
I got plenty.
No, it's broken. No. I don't like it. No, it's for fun. It's too small. Wow! It's a best car. How much?
It costs $25.
I don't have no money.
No money, no cars.
Okay. Idea! Car service, car service. Come. Stop.
Hi, can you wash my car?
Of course.
Hello.
Done.
Thank you so much!
Thank you. Bye. Bye. Money. Hi, what happened?
Hi, my car has a flat tire.
Of course, I'll fix this. Ooh. It's too small. It's too big. Perfect.
Thank you very much!
You're welcome. Bye. Bye. It's my money. Bye.
Hello, I need gas.
Okay. Something else?
Yes, cookies and juice, please. Thank you!
Almost welcome. Bye. Bye. I got enough money. I have a money.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's enough. Good job. It's yours.
Yes, thank you. I need a new car. Wow, guys! Hello! Do you need a new car? Yes, please. Choose what you like. It's for boys. It's for beaches. Not for me. On here. Oh. I like it. $100. my car? Of course. Oopsie. Clean. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh no! Something with my wheel. Oh no, my car is broken. I need to repair it. Hello. What's happened? My tire's broken. Can you fix it? No worries, I'll fix it. Oh no! Too small. Too big. Perfect. Yeah. Yay, thank you. Bye-bye. Oh no, low petrol. Hello. Gas station. Hello, can you fill my car? Okay. Something else? I want crackers and apple juice. Give me money. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. My money. Hey, God. What? What happened? I have money. Now it's enough. Car is yours. Yay! Where you going? Beep, beep, beep. Come here, please. 1 minute. I help you. Wow, so beautiful. This dress is so special for me. Thank you, Alice. Bye. You're welcome. Wow. Oh no, my nails. No. I need help. Mommy, help me with my nails. No way, I'll make shoe. Let's go. Let's fix it. Give me a hand. Choose the color. Blue, please. It's so beautiful. Thank you, Alice. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Beep, beep, beep. My face is dirty. I need help. Hello, my face is dirty. Can you help me, please? Stay put. Let's go. Now wake up! I love this makeup. Thank you, Alice. Always welcome. What happened to my hair? I need help. Yummy. Hello. Hi, my hair's messed up. I need help. I got you. Wake me. Let's go. My hair is so beautiful. Thank you, Alice. Bye-bye. Help! Your bike is stuck. We will help you. Damn it, it's a good thing.
Alice? Alice, what happened?
I'm beautiful.
No, you are so beautiful.
Oh, no dash.
Don't worry, Alice, I'll fix that. Alice, what happened?
My hair looks beautiful.
One moment, I'll be back soon, okay? Here you go.
Thank you. I'm so beautiful now.
Wow! Woohoo!
Oh. Uncle, it's coming.
Alice, what happened?
I need makeup.
Okay, wait a second.
Listen, here.
Here you go, Alice.
Whoa. Wow. She's coming.
Alice, what happened again?
No shoes.
I got it, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This one.
Woohoo!
Uncle.
Alice, what now?
I need new bag.
Okay, I'll find some. Well, Alice, is this enough?
Yay! Wow, look.
Aha!
Where's your uncle?
Run! Girl, such a girl.